Hey guys, welcome back with another student video. Guys, in this video you will discover when you open iMessages in your iPhone, you may face a problem that your iMessage stuck on waiting for activation. So how can you fix it? So let's check. As you may check, iMessage is waiting for activation, so we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first method is you may click here and turn this off and turn this on again, and you may check your problem will be fixed. The second method is guys, you may go back and you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may click here on your Apple account or Apple ID and click here on sign out, and you may log in again and you will check your problem will be fixed. After this, you may go back and you may click here on general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then go back and here is the option of date and time and click on set automatically turn this on. After this, here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back and here is the option of messages in settings, so you may click here on messages and turn on iMessage. Then you may scroll down and click here on use your Apple ID for iMessage and click here on sign in, and you may sign in with your Apple ID, or you may click here on sign in with another Apple ID to sign in other Apple ID with your iMessage from here. So you may check guys now, after waiting for some seconds, you may check that your iMessage has been activated. Then guys, you may go back and you may open settings again and you may just check your iMessage has been click here. So now guys, you may click here on send and receive and you may select your Apple ID from here also. Then you may go back and you may check that you have restarted your device and check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.